So the list of exceptions that have to kick in when we're dealing with denied supplies can be quite huge. There's about 9 or so. We've touched on what we can, but I just want to maybe mention the last 2 or so. And the other one would be one of a person who basically supplies, or not supplies, but rather grants services of holding seminars. So such a person or such a company will likely be allowed to be VAT vendors, and they can charge output VAT in terms of the seminars, as that being taxable supplies. So we can also get a situation where maybe we hire, let's call it, we hire a boardroom where we basically want to give a promotional list of marketing our product. And we're also gonna have food and beverages for people to drink, and as we basically just marketing the actual product that we would be marketing. And maybe we basically pay 5,000 rands for the venue, So what would be taxable in this situation is that we paid the 5,000 rands for the venue hire charge. We also have banners for marketing purposes, which maybe cost us 2,000 rands, and we also have food, which cost us maybe 5,000 rands. So we're giving. So what can we claim back? So now we're basically giving a talk, which is a promotional marketing talk about our product. We have food and beverages, and we have the venue charge as well. What can we charge in terms of vegetable transaction? So we know that food and beverages, this is an exempt supply. We know that marketing is not an exempt supply, it's a taxable supply. But food and beverage is not an exempt supply, but a denied supply, something that we enjoy. The venue hire charge, it basically is not, it would be something that we pay for a building, for instance. So in that situation, it could maybe qualify as commercial accommodation, even though it's not a hotel, it's an office of some sort. So you can call it commercial accommodation. So it would likely be a taxable supply in a normal situation. But in this situation, what do we have within this outlook? We've got food and beverages, which is a denied supply. So it's not quite a normal situation. So other people try to basically apportion the cost in saying, okay, the cost of the venue can be a taxable supply, whereas food and beverages can be a denied supply because it's a denied supply as defined, and promotion of marketing can also be a taxable supply. So SARS says no, we cannot on a scientific basis apportion the amount of time spent in the venue and the amount of time spent by the people eating and drinking within the actual talk show basically taking place. So you cannot on a scientific basis. So SARS denies this as being a situation of apportioning that cost, which is for the venue of 5,000 rand. So in this regard, it did not get VAT input. They would not get VAT input. And for the food and beverages, they also not get VAT input, denied supply. In this instance, scientific basis, they cannot apportion, unfortunately, because they have food and beverages which are also taking place within the premises of the premises within the venue as well. However, promotion of marketing purposes, they can now claim VAT for this because this is separately identifiable. It's printed banners which can be which is a taxable supply, so they can claim tax in that regard. So that's basically what you must basically look out for. So denied supply is quite a big section in its own. There are other few exceptions that you must likely just look through in your own time, because the list comprises of about 9 exceptions, I think, and we've touched on a few here. So this is just to basically make you aware of the category of denied supplies.